Bykans 1 miljoen studente het verlede jaar by die land se 26 universiteite geregistreer. Statistieke Suid-Afrika sê daar is minstens 300,000 meer as wat verwag is. Die jongste statistieke toon dat die land se universiteite se gesamentlike inkomste 63 miljard rand is. 43% hiervan is van staatstoelae afkomstig, 34% van klasgeld, 6% van skenkings en die oorblywende 17% van ander bronne.
We are spending money on students that do not succeed to finish. And that's what makes making this system more expensive. And with an increase of new students in there, we are turning more inside and not letting anybody go through the system. I think that's where the biggest dilemma is.
Lehotla sê, indien onderwys nie as 'n prioriteit vir Suid-Afrikaners beskou word nie, die gebrekkige opvoedingsstelsel nooit verbeter sal word nie.
If education is not a priority, it's priority number 18 out of 20. And water and electricity are the topmost things that bother South Africans, and not education. Then what we have is what we have got. Only when we have changed our priorities can we probably fund education appropriately.
Op 'n vraag of tersiêre onderrig ooit gratis kan wees, het Lehotla nie doekies omgedraai nie.
The notion of a free education must be dispensed with completely. There cannot be a free education. There is nothing for free. We have to adopt a tax system to finance things, or everything will be costly.
Lehotla sê, hulle statistieke toon dat 92% van gegradueerdes werk sal kry. Percy Viljoen, Unis, Kaapstad.